What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making the Copycat Taco Bell Crunchwrap, but better, with Carne Asada. I picked up some Carne Asada pre-seasoned meat at my local Save Mart. Cook beef on medium heat until no longer pink and set aside. Warm up your nacho cheese. Warm up your tortilla so it does not break when folding. Start by adding your nacho cheese, a half a cup of Carne Asada, a crunchy tostada, sour cream, lettuce and tomatoes, and cheese. Fold your Crunchwrap. Spray cooking oil on pan and cook your Crunchwrap on medium heat, making sure to cook the folded side down first. Cook for a few minutes on each side until golden brown, and enjoy!